Mediocre Man channel, and what we're doing today is going to show you how to make an instant steam tent. So I live at the beach. I don't have a lot of room on the property, so this is something I can pop up and use and then put it away. Thought that you all might be interested. So behind me is the tent, and I'll put an Amazon link. It's just a pop-up ice fishing tent. It's not an insulated one. You don't need it. You don't need to be insulated. This thing holds the steam really well. And there's two little vents, right? So there's a vent, and you just stuff paper towels in the vent. One there and one there. So you don't let the steam out. And this is the inside of the tent. So what you need is the pop-up tent. That's number one. The second thing is a turkey burner. The third is a propane tank, and then a charcoal basket full of these special sauna rocks. And so I'll put the links for all these items so you can just order it. It's about, I want to say $200, maybe $250 for everything. And then you have an instant steam tent. It's really neat. So I'll walk you over here. Let's see. All right, so then we have the turkey burner. You got the charcoal basket with the sauna rocks. And you have the propane with the, this thing is like a, I don't know, like a pressure device. So you want mostly a blue flame. Heat up those rocks for, I'd say 45 minutes usually does the trick, depending on how cold it is outside. And when those rocks heat up, and you're ready to roll, you have the propane tank there. You just take the tent and lift it up and put it over the rocks so that the basket now is inside the tent. And the dry heat from those rocks will instantly heat up that tent. You don't need to have the propane on. You don't want the propane on when the rocks are in the tent. That's dangerous. So you shut it off, lift up the tent, put it over the basket, and then go inside and then pour the water on, and you have instant steam. And it's amazing. And it lasts pretty good. I'd say about a half hour. The rocks will be hot enough, depending on how much you steam them. I like to do a lot of steam. I can only do it for like 10 or 15 minutes, and then I get tired of it. So that's the routine. And then you need a little jug of something to put water in, something to ladle the water. That's it. That's it. You have an instant steam tent. So I'm gonna jump in the ocean, get nice and cold with no wetsuit, come back, and then go into the steam. Thanks. All right, there's the rocks in the tent. There's the stool. There's the jug of water. Oh, let's see. Put a towel here so I can stick the camera back out. All right, here we go. So we're gonna zip this up. It's already nice and warm in here. See, I didn't close the vent that well, but that's okay. All right, here we go. First ladle. Fucking back's killing me. All right, here we go. You just get a wave of heat. Oh, it feels so good.
How's it going?
Good. Yeah, it's working. You want to come in?
I know.
You want to come in? Here, I'm gonna...
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Good.